Alright, y'all, I just got back from a choreo. SCI shirts, so cute. And since I'm in a mood of like exercise and whatnot, let's clean my car because she needs to be clean. Look, dirty. I put some stuff in my seat over there, so that needs to be cleaned. Don't mind my chips because it's from my my athletes, so I'm gonna keep that in the car for me. And then I really need to get my back too. She's dirty and I need to probably take this stuff out. The only thing that I'm gonna keep in here is my seat, and I keep like some pads because those are like my emergency pads. So a lot of this stuff is gonna come out. So yeah, clean with me and get my car together. Don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe. All right, y'all, I figured I'd clean the inside of the car first because yeah, I think that just makes more sense. So I'm gonna clean the inside first. This is trash. Alright. So yeah, I got this from TikTok shop. She's actually pretty good. Let's do which attachment? Can't guarantee. No, not that one. This is the one that I want right here. Alright, y'all, I've cleaned out the inside of the car, and I'm to the trunk. So if I take everything out the trunk, got a little carpet, and then I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put all this stuff because I have no idea. But let's just get to it. So this don't look too shabby. It's a couple of like things I gotta like vacuum out, but I gotta charge my vacuum because she's dead. So let me charge my vacuum and start washing the car. Let me see if I can get a good angle from right here as I'm cleaning. Look at that. Alright y'all, so I did half of the car. I'm gonna do the other side of the car, and then maybe I'll record doing the front. I don't know, because I think my camera's kind of overheating and I just had to switch out my memory card. So let me get majority of that done and I'll just show y'all the finishing touches, okay? Alright y'all, I'm done. I didn't record the end because my camera was getting hot, but this is the end result. Isn't she nice and clean? I ain't gonna show y'all the back because, you know, license plate and stuff like that. But I'm so proud of myself. Really proud of myself. After a long day of choreo, I came out here and washed my car. So I gotta clean out my mats. I let my thing charge over there because she's dying. So let that finish charging, and then yeah, it was just a quick little vlog for today. Just wanted to show y'all me clean my car because I'm just trying to push out content. So don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.